Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to edit Facebook post date and time on Android and iOS devices. Ever posted something on Facebook and later realized the date and time isn't quite right? It happens more than often than you'd think. If you're using the Facebook mobile app, you might notice there's actually no option to edit the post date directly from your profile. So here's a simple workaround I use. Open your mobile browser, go to facebook.com, sign into your account. Once you're in, tap the browser menu, usually the three dots in the top right corner, and enable Request Desktop Site. This loads the full desktop version of your Facebook on your phone. Now head to your profile, scroll until you find a post you want to adjust, and tap the three dots on the post. You should see an edit date option appear. From there, just set the new date and time you want, confirm it, and the post will update instantly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.